Hi everyone! Today I will be presenting my project on a YouTube live stream on a crypto hackathon, Moralis Avalanche Hackaton to be specific. Feeling a little bit stressed and excited at the same time. I never participated on a YouTube live stream before. I hope it will be fine. Yeah, I was fortunate enough to be one of the 10 finalists. At the end of this video, I will share my thoughts, how I think it actually went from my perspective.
First project that is going to present is Meta Gymland. And we do have Martin here, which I add right now from Meta Gymland. And I will have you solo like this. Meta Gymland, Martin, I'm giving the stage to you. Feel free to share the screen. And very interested in hearing about your project.
Awesome. Hi, everyone. I'm very happy to be here. Yeah, I will share my screen. Let me know if you can see the slides.
Yep, we can see the slides.
Awesome. Awesome. So my name is Martin. Thank you for having me. I'm very happy to be here. I would like to show you Meta Gymland, a wellness metaverse powered with AI and NFTs. Let's have a look at a teaser first. So our innovation is NFT avatars controlled with AI pose detection via webcam instead of just typing into a keyboard. This is a new way how you can play web games. So what is Meta Gymland? Meta Gymland can give you experiences similar to AR and VR, but without the need for a VR headset. All you need is a webcam. This is thanks to the pose detection technology. What is the problem that we want to solve? Because Meta Gymland is not just the next play-to-earn game. We want to solve actual problem. We want to solve the problem of back pain. According to back pain statistics, 80% of adults having back pain issues. Almost over 500 million of people are affected by back pain globally. What is Meta Gymland's solution? We'd like to propose a selection of stretch-to-earn mini games for muscle relaxation, where each mini game will have slightly different moves, which will target different muscles. You can see here one of our mini games. When you can move your body, the webcam is tracking your body. The avatar is moving via your moves, and you can destroy asteroids with that. Here you can see other selection from our mini games, when you can move like a bird, like a flying bird, and collect bitcoins at the same time. So in short, what we want to achieve is we want to incentivize people to do casual daily stretches and workouts. Many of us don't do daily stretches and workouts because we find it boring, especially very productive and busy people. Maybe it does resonate with you. Thanks to AI pose detection, we can make daily stretches and workouts like a gaming experience. And thanks to blockchain and NFTs, we can build a community around the project. And this is one of the main reasons why we want to launch this project as a web-free product, not as an old-school software as a service. With Meta Gymland, we want to have an impact. We want to make crypto community healthier. We want to improve crypto community wellness. We want to make casual gaming have more positive side effects. We believe that Meta Gymland can be a great habit-building tool for casual stretches and workouts. And by the way, you can see other mini game from our portfolio here when you can do squats and pump the Bitcoin price at the same time, which was really fun to build for me. Let's have a look at the example user journey. So this is our marketplace. It's built with Moralis and Avalanche. You can buy your NFT avatar here. And with this NFT avatar, you will be able to move around the metaverse. It works currently on Avalanche Fuji testnet. You can see on Snowtrace. It's a ERC 1155 contract. Then you will need to allow access to your webcam so you can leverage the pose detection, and you will be able to move around, not by clicking into a keyboard, but moving your body. Yeah, now we are in the metaverse. Let's go into the Meta Gym room. If you will not know what moves to do, you can always click here in the menu on the how-to. So it will give you hints what moves you should do. In the Meta Gym room, we'll have mats, glowing mats like this one. Each mat will represent different mini game. You need to hover on it with your avatar and press X. So you can go inside. And inside the mini game, you can earn tokens. We call it stretch to earn. Yeah, so moving your hands up, avatar goes up. If you don't do anything, gravity takes in. If you move your head to the side, avatar goes to the side. At the end, when we like destroy all the asteroids, you can press escape and your token balance should increase. Awesome. So stretch to earn. How will this work? We have a vision for a dual token design, meta body movement token and meta Gymland token. The meta body movement token will attempt to reflect the energy that you will feel after doing a workout. When it feels great, but you need to maintain it to keep that energy. Meta body movement token will work in a similar way. If you will not train regularly, if you will not maintain the training, the tokens will go away. It will behave kind of as an algorithmic token. You will be able to claim your earned meta body movement token or other meta Gymland digital assets with your earned MBMT on our marketplace. Once claiming, you will need to pay a small fee with meta Gymland token, and this is one of the ways how the platform can make money. Our target audience, in general, people working from home, crypto traders, gamers, etc. People that likes GatherTown, because our project is quite similar to GatherTown. People that likes Oculus Quest fitness games, but are looking for something more casual than using a VR headset. We have an idea to build a ecosystem, not only one meta Gymland app, but an actual ecosystem. The vision is meta Gymland web app with webcam pose detection will be the main casual entry point for healthy mini games. It's much easier and cheaper than using a VR headset. But if you would like to have more sophisticated workouts, we will have an app in VR for Oculus Quest. And the meta Gymland NFT avatar will be interoperable between the metaverse in the web app and in VR headset. And this is when the power of Web3 shines. We have some further ideas like face yoga app, mobile app, or gamified meditation with brainwave detection devices. But yeah, that's like the ideas for the future. What's coming next? I will not get much into detail. I would just like to say that our main priority will be marketing and building strong meta Gymland community so we can build the product together. Tech behind it, Moralis Avalanche IPFS for the blockchain side. For AI pose detection, we use TensorFlow.js and MediaPipe. For game engine, I use Phaser. I will probably move to Unity in the future, but yeah, Phaser is good enough for now. The team behind it, that's me, Martin. I'm the developer behind meta Gymland. Megan, she's behind the graphic design of the platform, and she's an actual architect, which is a great asset to have when you want to build a metaverse so it can look realistically. Yeah, and our cute office dog that we're maintaining our energy throughout working on the project. I would like to invite everyone to join our social channels. You can find all the links on metagymland.com. I would like to thank you for the opportunity. Moralis Avalanche Hackathon was a great booster for me to actually finish my project. So I would say thank you, and let's start the Q&A session.
Perfect. There you go. Very, very interesting. And also, I love how it's like GatherTown, because GatherTown, for me, it was a game changer. And our whole company now is GatherTown. We're every week in GatherTown hanging out. So this is like GatherTown, but also you work out, you get some coins, you have this healthy lifestyle together. So is it multiplayer? Can people go around there multiplayer?
So that's the plan for the future. We can even do something like stretch competitions and have stats like Strava. Now it's just a single player, but yeah, I have a vision for multiplayer as well.
Right. And so, you stretch to earn, you stretch, you get the coins. So how do you fight inflation there? Is it some sink where you lose the coins? Like, how do you manage that?
So that's just the idea. It's not like fully implemented, but the idea is that when you stretch regularly, you can get the coins. But when you not stretch, they should decrease.
Right.
So works the same. When you go to the gym, you like get the energy. Then you go to home, you watch Netflix. Your energy drops. And the idea is if you can claim the tokens, but they will be like algorithmic. You can claim other assets with that earned tokens, but then the tokens will be burned if you claim something else like a wearable NFT. So that's like the idea for that token. And that's why I want to have two tokens. Yeah.
Yeah, we see coming from Gordal that it reminds of that Black Mirror episode where they have to bike. I remember that. And Black Mirror, they're predicting the future. So if they have it, it's gonna be the future. But yeah, thanks a lot. That was all my questions. Over to other judges for more questions.
Thank you.
I have a question. So this is very, very cool. I love stuff that is that tries to do like things in the real world. I think this is like something that's predominantly missing. It would be great if like this expands to something where you get to work for these, for this coin, you get to work out, go to places, whatever, and as you're working on more and more, you get this coin. And this coin is redeemable with partnerships with like sporting goods stores, something like that. Like that would be a really, really great economy for people to start. Because then obviously like sporting goods want to have like these loyalty brands, loyalty fan bases. And so as people are interacting with these sporting brands, they get to get these rewards. Generally speaking, like the more you tie what you're doing in this game rather the coin that you get from this game, from interacting with it, with something in the real world, that's like the big lift. But that's, I think, would unlock a tremendous economy. That sounds really cool.
Cool. I have a very quick one. Well, interesting idea. Obviously, we all need it. Have you thought about the network effects with these dual tokens? And it feels like something where you should invite people, right? And should invite your friends. And have you thought about the network effects and the platforms and how the dual token can actually bootstrap those?
Yeah, I mean, one of the network effects can be that there is a webcam, so potentially it can go viral on TikTok. Other one, I was thinking about affiliates on our NFT marketplace, when we can have affiliate links to do them. But I believe the network effect will be very like expandable once it's gonna grow, like to not only via webcam but via meditation devices and VR apps. So all of that. Branches of the ecosystem will behave like a funnel. So
I had a
initial idea. Sorry.
No, just one question on my end. Is it possible to have like an SDK or something where a game could implement? Like I think about all these like various pixelated games in crypto, and whether or not they can easily implement this feature within their game.
Yeah, that's possible. I kind of built something like that, because like each mini game have slightly different moves. So I'm like tracking, like if you're tilting your head, that's like a marker. If you're moving your hand up, that's like a marker. So it could work as a SDK as well. Yeah.
Perfect, guys. Let's do one more question for if someone wants to ask, and then we have to move to the next one. So one more, someone.
I would have.
Yeah, if I can.
Oh, go ahead.
Go ahead. No, go ahead, man.
No, please. I did already. Yes.
Okay, just a quick one about the cryptonomics, because in the current stage, how do you stop people from like kind of like you're farming the token, because you don't actually have you don't need to put a stake, some capital to play the game. So someone could mimic the video and then play the game and you'll farm the token for free.
Yeah, great question. I mean, one of the stake is the NFT of avatar. So we'll have a guest mode when you play, but you cannot earn. If you want to earn, you will have to have specific NFT, and will be the access will be restricted to specific mini games. For fraud detection, I was thinking about that, how to tackle that. We can run additional like background checks, like KYC applications doing for liveliness check. If we can check if you're actually cheating. I can check if there's a cycle happening. Let's say you recorded yourself, you put that in front of the webcam. And
I think like adding a KYC or AML on the top of the game will probably kill the game. I prefer like having those. Remember this platform called Chat Roulette? I mean, if you can bring like something that is really fun and have multiplayers playing the game at the same time, I think this is really cool.
Cool. Yeah, thank you.
Guys, thanks a lot. Unfortunately, we have to move ahead to the next one. Martin, a big shout out to you. Great game, very nice, great idea. Thanks for participating and presenting.
Yeah. Hey, so that was kind of like a backstage experience recorded for you guys. I hope you will like it. Let me know in the comments. I can only say I felt quite calm before I started, but when I joined the presenters room together with guys like Ivan on Tech, so quite big YouTubers that I've been following for the past 2 years, actually, I felt a little stressed, but I think that actually boosted my energy rather than disrupt. So it was all good, I guess. It was a great experience actually meeting the Moralis Avalanche Hackaton judges and all the finalists. Anyways, let me know in the comments if that kind of like a backstage video is interesting for you. Thank you for watching. Check out my project metagymland.com. Give a like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.